Good morning, folks. This is Marc with Marcs Mobility. We're doing a review this morning on a Quantum Edge 6 power chair with a 7-inch seat lift. Good morning, folks. This is Marc again with Marcs Mobility. We're doing a demonstration today on a Quantum Edge 2.0 power chair with a 7-inch seat lift. 7-inch seat lift on this power chair. This is one of my favorite chairs. It's an oldie but goodie because it has a really good motor, it's a really good suspension. It's a great chair and a fantastic seat lift. So if you only need a 7-inch seat lift, this one does have it. It has a pan seat also. What that means, the seat, you can put any cushion on here that you want. We have this one on here now, but you can put any cushion you want on there. It's a pan seat. It's also an adjustable back. So if you watch here, you can move the back this far, or you can put the back all the way down like this. And right here would be about 32 inches is your high point. 32 inches in case you need to know that for transporting the chair in the back of your SUVs. If you take the cushion off, it'll go down even more, okay? So let's look at the seat lift. And now it does have a swing away joystick, but I'm going to take that one off. We're going to put a better one on here. This is an older swing away. I don't like these. It still works good, but we'll put a different one on here. So if you want the seat lift to go up, you go to your joystick. There's two blue buttons. Keep hitting them until you see a picture of the chair in your screen. When you see a picture of the chair in the screen, that means your seat lift is activated. What does that mean? If you move this back, watch. You see the seat lift going up, and usually when you start, you're going to be at 22 inches. By the time you're all the way up, you'll be at 29 inches high. See it? And if you turn the power off, you can still drive the chair at a slower speed with the seat elevated. So while we have the seat up in the air, let's look at the base on this chair. You can see the seat lift right here. It's a 2x2. It's really shiny. Oh, by the way, this chair might have 3 or 4 months of usage. It's been sitting for years in someone's home. It's one of the best chairs they ever made. If you need a 7-inch seat lift. Tires are solid. These are great tires. They're not going to mark your floor. Same with the front and back. You have a front caster wheel with a caster fork here, and you have a caster wheel and a caster fork in the back. That gives you that nice suspension and that zero turn. When you turn, these wheels will follow the chair when you go in a circle. If you watch now, watch. They'll turn and they'll follow the chair, whichever way you go, okay? You have these solid anchor points. These are tied to the frame. So this is where you secure your chair if you had to tie it down. Right here, you have 4 of these. This is your motor for this wheel. This is a 4-pole motor. These are much better. These older motors right here have their high torque. What that means, you're getting a lot of more power than a regular motor, okay? If I want to push this chair, you can see it's in gear. So if you want to put it in neutral, just turn the power off. And the reason we want the power off, these are electric motors, so turn the power off. Can't miss the handle. Push the handle down, and you're in neutral. If you do both motors on both sides, then you can go straight, okay? Look how nice that turns. Put it back in gear. Okay. I also want to show you while we have it this way. Let me put the power back on. Give it about 4 seconds to set it. I want to show you the suspension. Look at the size of this shock right here. That's for this fork right here. Look at that. Okay. Great suspension on both sides. And you have the same suspension in the back. And these are independent. If I raise this one, that one stays down. Look. See that? Independent suspension in the back. You have a safety belt back here, folks. Probably never been used. We're going to put it back in the pouch. You have an adjustable headrest right here. What else was I going to tell you? The front of the chair. The foot plate flips up so when you exit the chair. The batteries are right here. There's 2 levers. One here, one on this side. Now the batteries in here are small because we're just using a demonstration. They're going to be much bigger than that when you order the chair because these are just for the demonstration. But I want to show you how easy it is to get to the batteries, and then you just snap it back together. You can see the suspension I was telling you about. If you're left-handed, we can put everything on the left side. The seat right now is 18 by 19 deep. 18 by 19 deep. We just have this cushion on just for the video because the chair came with no cushion. But when you order the chair, we'll put whatever cushion you need on here, okay? The arms flip up, as you can see. Let's bring the seat back down. So I'm going to go back to the picture of the seat, push the thing forward, and the seat will come down. And that noise is exactly what you want to hear for that seat lift. It's a heavy duty seat lift, and we're going to put it back to 3. There's 5 speeds on this chair. This chair will go 6 miles an hour. It's also a fast chair. It has a 300-pound capability, so you can see how well it turns in your house also. Okay? It turns on a 0 turn right there. It stays in its same spot. So when you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll take the charger that comes with the chair. And this may not be the charger, but we always use this one for example. Plug it right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the batteries are full. The charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. They will stop charging when the batteries are full. All right, let's do a quick recap. We have a Quantum Edge 6 with a pan seat on here. You can definitely put an 18 cushion or a 20-inch cushion on this pan seat. See, there's a little bit of left over here, so that cushion's not even sitting all in that pan. So you can put a 20-inch cushion. It has the 7-inch seat lift, 300-pound weight capability. It goes up to 6 miles an hour outside. With new batteries, you'll get about up to 15 miles on a battery charge. That's up to 15 miles. If you're going uphill, you're not going to get 15 miles, but up to 15 miles with new batteries the first year with no problem. You have a captain seat, swing away joystick, solid tires, anchor point, heavy duty full pull motors. These chairs don't usually stay here very long once we have them in here, because people who've had these and know about this one, they usually snatch them up. So this one's available right now. All right, this is the Quantum Edge 6. Top speed is about 6 miles an hour. I would say this chair is probably not quite 6 miles an hour, maybe 5.8, fast enough. They're not all exactly, you know, if it says 6, it could be 6.1, 6.2, it could be 5.8. They're not all the same. And when you stop, it has built-in brakes in the chair, in the motors, I'm sorry. You can use the joystick as a gas pedal, or you can reduce the speed here. So if I bring it to speed number 1, whoop, speed 1, this is speed 1. You can't get in too much. I wouldn't drive this too far at speed 1. It takes forever to get somewhere. I'm going to put it back to speed 4 and control the speed with this. Now this chair has great suspension, great motors. I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm going to try to go through this grass and up there, see what happens. Wish me luck. So folks, you see how bad that is right here? Remember I was telling you, woo, and you probably need a neck brace if you're going to do that like I just did. Like I was telling you earlier, these are heavy duty motors. The suspension in this chair, I just did something there that I shouldn't have done, but I want to show you because I like doing it. Great chair. We're going to go in this grass here, which won't do any good now because I showed you even worse than that. Well, let's just come back. It's a waste of time here. If it goes through that grass over there, it'll do this with no problem. And let's raise the seat up. Now the foot plate does not go up on this one when the feet, you know, you can see my feet are coming off the foot plate now. So that's your 7-inch seat lift right there. And if I put it back in drive, you can drive the chair, but it'll be at a reduced. So if you're in your kitchen, you can still get around your kitchen at a reduced speed. I'm going to bring the seat back down. Put it back in drive 4. That's my top speed. I'm going to turn around a little bit right here. So this one here has a 7-inch seat lift. You can put your own cushion on here. It has the solid tires. It was used for, I forgot, I think it was just a couple, 3 months. Heavy duty motors, anchor points, safety belt, pan seat where you can put your own cushion, flip up arm. We will change the swing away joystick to a better swing away joystick. Even though this one's perfect, I just don't like the looks of it. Other than that, If you need a chair with 7-inch to get you in the vehicle or get to a dining table or a bar, and you want something that's going to go in the yard also, this one will do both. So you can go in the house, in the yard with this chair. Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.